Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting hands-on. Charge the case and pods so you won't interrupt pairing, then open the lid next to your device. Once done, enable Bluetooth and accept the on-screen pairing card or follow the device prompt. If you use Android, tap the case button until the LED flashes white and select the AirPods Pro in Bluetooth settings. Make sure firmware updates are possible by keeping the case connected to power and the paired device nearby. After pairing, tailor the experience. Perform the ear tip fit test so active noise cancellation and soundstage work right. Once done, assign press and hold or squeeze gestures to noise control or Siri, depending on your workflow. This avoids accidental mode switches. Make sure spatial audio is enabled for compatible apps and turn on adaptive EQ to let the AirPods tune to your ear. If noise cancellation feels weak, reset tips and repeat the fit test to improve the seal. To finish setup and keep performance steady, charge regularly and let firmware update when the pods sit near your phone with internet access. For maintenance, remove silicone tips and wipe with a dry, lint-free cloth. Avoid liquids inside the case or speaker mesh to prevent damage. If connectivity issues occur, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the back button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. If problems persist, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.